Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and right now, Bitcoin is crashing. Well, guys, it's not crashing, but it is dipping down, and I know that a lot of people in the crypto space are freaking out right now. How could Bitcoin be falling? Because the Grayscale lawsuit versus the SEC just came out, and hey, they said that they had to approve the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. Well, we got to pump our brakes here and look at the truth here and the story and what we can expect here coming up here and why the market's going down right now, guys. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel, guys. We're doing a live stream every day, Monday to Friday for you guys, 5 videos every day, and we're going to keep the content coming for you. So let's jump right in and get into this video. Now, right now, earlier this morning, the Bitcoin and crypto market was all the way up to 1.08 trillion, and now it's right back down to 1.05, and Bitcoin almost broke down below 26,000 today, is trying to hold strong, and so is Ethereum, which is down to 1,650 bucks, but there is a truth that we have to talk about. The Bitcoin ETF euphoria is receding, while weary crypto advocates seek more clarity. Now, guys, here's what I want to talk about with you guys. So, crypto advocates are seeking more clarity. People like me and you want to know the truth here. We want to know the real story. And what the truth is while a lot of people are saying, hey, look right here, deadlines for consideration of ETF proposals come this week. Okay, so what I have a problem with in this whole deadline conversation, everybody's saying they have to make a decision this week. It's a deadline coming this week. Are they going to approve a Bitcoin ETF? Everybody's saying they're going to approve all the Bitcoin ETFs this fall. This is what the experts are predicting. Since when are the experts giving you real good financial advice? Typically, Jim Cramer, who's an expert, says one thing and the opposite happens. It's very, very hard for anybody to really predict what's happening, but it's very, very difficult for me to believe JP Morgan and the experts at JP Morgan when they come out with a prediction, because I don't really think that they're going to give us the real deets, because at the end of the day, they're going to make the moves that make the most sense for them, not necessarily for the people that they're probably trying to withhold that information from at the end of the day. JP Morgan says Bitcoin's probably done with the downside recently. Kind of makes me think there's more downside. And the truth is, guys, with this story, deadlines for consideration of ETF proposals, there are no deadlines coming this week. We're going to call it a deadline just because that's what they're titled as, which I think is a mislabeling. But the truth is, a deadline is a final decision, okay? It's the final decision. When do they have to say yes or no officially? The answer to that is not until January of 2024. And so everybody's saying deadlines are coming this week. It's just one deadline and a series of deadlines. The truth is that the SEC has 240 days from the time they accept these applications, and nobody's talking about that right now, which is a big, big mistake. Because the fact is that we have to continue to ask the question: approve, deny, delay? Delay is the answer. The SEC is going to weigh on this this week, but now people are getting scared because I think reality is starting to hit them that, okay, even though the Grayscale lawsuit is a good conversation and it makes it more likely that the SEC will approve ETFs in the future, they don't need to approve it this week. That is just a fact, guys. And even today, there was some great news. Uniswap wins securities lawsuit. Judge supports DeFi. Judges supported XRP, saying that XRP wasn't a security. Judge supports DeFi. These are all good things, but at the end of the day, we still need regulations surrounding DeFi. There's a crypto bill being proposed right now by the White House and by politicians that actually want to crush DeFi. So the judges support it. We still have a legal battle that's going to go on in Congress, in the House, in the Senate. This is what we need to kind of look at. And so while this is all good news, and it's more increasing chances that the SEC is going to approve an ETF, and that Uniswap, is getting the approval of judges, we still have ways to go before this news actually hits the charts in a real way, and we truly get a rally up like we deserve. The rally that happened here was great, guys. It was a fantastic rally, but this was just like the XRP rally, which after it pumped, it came right back down. XRP went to like 95 cents. It came right back down to 50 cents. I predicted it out on the channel. If you guys saw that prediction and you had a good buying opportunity on that, or you took some profit, well, smash up the like button on that. But that's kind of what we're saying about Bitcoin as well, is that regardless of this pump, I said it, I still anticipate September is typically bearish. September should prove Bitcoin to come back down and possibly down to 23,000, possibly even lower, guys, because the truth of the matter is, looking at the monthly candles, you will see that Bitcoin in September is typically bearish. Just go back in history and look at the past Septembers. September, you know, boom. Those are 2 red Septembers right there, and there's many, many more in the past. So look out, guys. Beware. Bitcoin is crashing today, but honestly, guys, it's going to have probably a little more downside, especially when the FOMC meeting comes out later this week. Guys, that's all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button if you're dollar cost averaging, if you're buying these dips and you're excited. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. And as always, don't forget, folks, to DCA HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.